Hi. All right. I'm assuming you haven't seen um any of the stuff that I've done yet. So let me show you. I'm learning the Godot game engine by making a claw machine game with RPG elements, because everything needs RPG elements, right? Um so Lazarus, I'll show you this thing. So you're a claw machine. Different stuff gives you different stuff. Clovers and coins increase your gold, which you need to win. You gotta avoid the hazards like I just didn't. Got lasers you can fire to remove hazards and obstacles, which depletes your mana. You get mana by getting mana potions. I might lose my own game because I'm not really paying attention, but you get the point. This is kind of what it looks like. So yeah, the Godot game engine is pretty neat. I highly recommend it if you're looking to, try your hand at making some stuff. The community is really nice as well. There's a few regulars to the channel that stop by and help me out a ton. Cammy Moop, Team Ewan. Hi, Demonic Princess. Thanks for stopping by. How's your evening going? It was fun watching you today play some Destiny 2 and then with that Dead by Daylight. Where we were talking about recipes and stuff. Let's see. Oh, Lazarus, the channel in general, what I'm trying to do is make super relaxing content that you can use to wind the evening down or put on in the background while you're working on something else, or maybe even to help you fall asleep. You mean my morning? Good, I couldn't sleep, so I just stayed up now waiting. Oh, boyfriend gets home from work and then... Yikes. Well, I appreciate you stopping by. And I hope you can get some good sleep. What was I working? Oh, right. It was fun. Kinda sad that Fallout didn't work. I had a friend Googling it, and it seems to be common but the little I did was funny. I'll have to definitely check that out. Even if the frames were a bit weird. The sleep part I could use. I hope I'm pretty relaxing. I at least try to be. Always was fun talking about food on Emma's stream. Yep. we kinda took control of that for a little bit. I still do want to try those green onion pancakes though. I want to make sure I'm finding the right recipe though. Had a lot of jump scares and Portuguese swears. I do enjoy. I mean, I don't enjoy that you're scared, but it is very entertaining. Thanks, Lazarus. I made it in a program called Vroid Studio. It was actually pretty easy to make. I definitely look for the video of the Korean YouTubers and I can share it with you. Thanks. Yeah, you can just, plop it in your Discord or whatever and I'll find it. Forget what I was gonna work on today though. I feel like I had a good idea yesterday. I vaguely remember something Camimoop and I were talking about. Oh, a level selector. It would be nice to be able to select levels instead of just, That was funny. To be honest, I don't mind getting scared. It was nice. I hope you enjoy when you see it. I do enjoy it. I find you very entertaining to watch. And I'm delighted whenever I can catch your stream. I'm gonna put you in UI, I think. It's a good place for it. Yeah. Let's create a new user interface. We want to have Nova's avatar is really adorbs. Oh, thanks. And your voice is really smooth, so it does help if you have sleeping problems. That makes me really happy, because that's exactly the kind of vibes I'm going for. GokiDev was here yesterday, I think, and gave me a link to something to help make the audio a bit better. So I hope tonight it's a bit smoother, and I mean, it's kind of hard because I don't really know until I go back and watch the video what I actually sound like. I try to make a little recording before I start just to make sure everything's sort of set right. But yeah, for anyone watching, if you need me to turn the music up or down, or if my voice is too loud, feel free to let me know. In the control node, I want color rect. I'll make you full rect. It seems really smooth. Everything on a good volume. Thanks. Yeah, I'll keep it like this then. The guide. Let's see. Where did I put it? I'll find it later. But yeah, it was a pretty nice video. Specifically for OBS, which is what I use. That is way too bright. Alright. So I want you to have a theme. My main theme. Now we need a container of some sort. I want a center container with a grid container inside, I think. You should be full rect with margin set at 3? No. Oh, anchors. Maybe? No. 0.5? No. 0.3. Oh, that's what that does. No, that's not what I want. I think I do want anchor. Pretty sure I want anchor. Yes, I did want anchor. Okay. We're getting there. No, why does it go negative sometimes? 8 and 0.8. Now for the grid container, that's what I want to put the buttons in, I believe. Just a normal button. We'll say level 1. You're awfully small. Maybe that's okay. In this center container, I think I want the V-box container. Put you in there. And in there, let's also get a label. I think. We want the label. Go up there. We'll say level select. Do I have theme override? What fonts do I have again? Title font. There we go. That's what I wanted. Okay. You look to be a little close. I think I want maybe 4 columns. And what do I have for theme overrides? H separation? What do you do? You don't appear to do anything. At least not with what I have set. Let's see. How can I make you bigger? Oh, I think I want to set a min size. Let's say 100 by 50. That's not bad. I think that'll work. Okay. Now for the label, I want to give you a bit of margin. Bottom. That's not pushing down the grid container though. How do I push down the grid container? Line. What did I do in my other scenes? That would be start screen. Wait. How are you? Oh. Oh, that's how I'm doing it. Get out of there. And let's put you. Okay. Up. That. Let's give you full rect. And then we'll do whoops, no. Come back here. I think we want from the top 0.2. Nope. I think we just want 0 maybe? And this one 0.2? Maybe 0.4-ish? There we go. That's about where I want it. Okay. Now for the levels. We got our button. Let's make a whole bunch of them. The grid container needs some H separation and V separation. Quite a bit more, I think. Not bad. I don't have nearly that many levels made yet, but it looks nice. Also, hi whoever just started watching. How's your evening going? Let's spread them out a bit more, just to make it look like it takes up more space. Alright. How do I want to do this? A button. Do I want to create a signal for each button? Or is there a way to make button groups? Link button? No. Checkbox? No. I think I do want just a standard button. Let's take a look. Oh, also, Lazarus, one of the games I'm sort of playing with myself in this game dev experience is I'm trying to avoid looking up stuff online as much as possible. I'm trying to learn everything I can through the editor. I think I hosted, but I never know. Oh, you are hosting. Thank you very much. That means a lot. I'll be sure to add you back for auto hosting. Once I'm yeah, I don't wanna change it now because it might I don't know if it'll mess something up. But yeah, I'll put you on as an auto host. Oh, mad respect. I always ask my BF for help when I can't figure things out. Well, thanks. I eventually do sometimes look up stuff. I consider it cheat codes though. Don't worry about it. Well, I mean I want to reciprocate. And I really do enjoy your content. So I mean, I probably would have eventually auto-hosted you anyways. Okay, let me think. Button. Yeah, no problem. Group. Okay. Button group. What do you do? What does that give me? Edit? Button group. Local to scene. Does it give me new, signals? I normally don't look online. I'm still getting used to having a good PC where I can multitask and also have two screens. I forget, and it's been a couple of years. Not two screens, but with a good PC. Yeah, I just got this new PC, and let me tell you, it's crashed a number of times, so I still need to do some work. Learning only from trial and error, that can be a challenge, alright. Yeah, but I enjoy it. For whatever reason, the Godot game engine, it always feels fun to me. And I've developed in other engines before, and a lot of times it feels like an uphill battle. But with this, it's just kind of playing around. So I just turned to the right and asked my BF to do it. If I had one of those, I'd probably do the same. Trial and error is really rewarding when you can do it. Yeah, it's like you're leveling up, but like as a person. Nothing indicates that a button group does anything though. Let me look. Oh, that's another thing. The Godot engine actually has like documentation in like built in, so that kind of helps too. Button groups. Wait, base button group. What do you do? Called when a button is pressed. If you need to know the button's pressed, well, button. Here we go. Group of buttons. All direct and indirect children buttons become radios. Only one allows being pressed. Huh. I don't think I understand it yet, but I'm gonna play around with it. Hey, thanks for the follow, Lazarus. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the content that I have. Let's see. Oh, and also, I always forget to mention, if you happen to do any sort of game dev stuff or art stuff, feel free to self-promote in chat, or on the Discord server, which is... Give me a second, I really need to make a command for this, but I'll just copy it. There. Feel free to join and introduce yourself, and yeah, if you have any art or game dev stuff, feel free to plop it in there. I'll definitely check to see what you've been up to. Yeah, thanks. Let's see. Right, button groups. Let's save you as a thing in UI, I think. Wait. Type there. Level, select, button group. Don't know exactly what it is you're doing. We'll find out. Can I quick load all of them? Got it, thanks. Yeah. Oh, did you join as well, Demonic Princess? Nice. Thanks for joining the Discord. I just started it a little while ago, so there's still not a whole lot there, but again, feel free to self-promote and put any stuff you're working on in there, because I definitely want to see it. And if I can, I'll try and bring it up on stream too. Alright. Looks like it did select them all as button groups. So now, what happens if I press one of these buttons? Oh, cute. Thank you so much. Yeah, no problem. Oh, I need to save you as a scene. Okay, let's first rename you. I want you to be called Level Select. Save you as Level Select in the UI. Now, what happens? I can't press any of these buttons. I don't know if button group is actually what I want. I've been working in emotes for my stream and share them there for opinion. I will do a better introduction after sleeping. I'm too sleepy. Yep, no worries. And yeah, I'd love to see what emotes you're working on. The ones that you have on your channel right now are super cute. Did you make those as well? I really like using the hi cat. That one I think is the most appropriate for, like, you know, just dropping in on folks and checking how they're doing. Yeah, they're all super adorable. That's oh, and the little Yoda guy. My BF did this for me a while ago. Nice. Good job. This one I got from a free website. The cat's holding up the heart and making the silly faces. I think I'm going to, I'm kind of planning on commissioning Camimoot to make me a few of them, because I really like the stuff that they do. And also, Camu's been helping me out a lot on this stream, um, with the Godot engine. But I plan to do some like this myself on pixel art, but I haven't been inspired. Yeah, I mean, I want to learn pixel art as well, but I don't know. It's gonna be a long road for me. I haven't really drawn anything since high school. And back then I didn't have like, I didn't draw on a tablet or anything. It was just, freehand. But yeah, that A-Sprite, I'm trying to learn. But I don't know. Gotta duck out, have a good broadcast. Alright, I hope you sleep well. It does take a bit. I normally do them on paper first and then pass them to PC. I remember I used to try that when when my folks first got a scanner. It didn't work so swell, and I think I just didn't really understand what you needed to have as far as like, I don't even know what you call it. Like when you do a rough sketch and then transfer it to digital, and then you like do line work on top of it. I didn't really get any of that. Yeah, I don't think I want these to be in a button group. I'm gonna clear it. And now can I press these buttons? I cannot. I wonder if something is intercepting my mouse clicks. That could be very like, Let me think. What is it that I'm doing? Oh, the color rect. Would that be it? No. Oh no, I do the drawings on squared paper, and I use... Oh! Hey, that's a good idea. Yeah. I even have a little notebook with square paper on it. Maybe I could do that, like, I don't know, when I'm sitting in bed, just kind of thinking about stuff. It's not a bad idea, actually. Yeah, why can't I press the button? Label? Is the label intercepting it? Yeah, that's kind of what I do when I have ideas. Nice. Yeah, it seems like, I don't know, kind of a fun way to just... Oh, I don't want to start all the way here. Ah, no! I want to press a button. Wait, if I load up the start screen, can I press those buttons? I can't. What? I'm confused. Because I know this works. Because that's this, isn't it? Start screen. Maybe... Play scene. Yeah, I don't know. Pause menu. Let's load you up. I can't press any of these buttons. Is it missing some key component that... There will be stats here someday. I forgot about that. I haven't put any stats there. But there will be. Someday. Okay. Level select. So I may actually be able to press these buttons, just not when Alright, let me try something here. Play you. Pause you. Look in remote. See what's there. We have the player stats that gets loaded. Oh, the game layer canvas. That's getting auto-loaded. And I bet it's intercepting all mouse signals. Yep. That would be it. I'm like 80% positive. And then the level select gets drawn out there. Okay. So the canvas layer is on layer 3. So if I were to draw the level select on a canvas layer and plop that on canvas layer 4, I should be able to test it for a little while. I think. Okay. So if I change your type to canvas layer, and then I put you on layer 4, play you, oh, I can click buttons now. Yep, that's all it was. Okay. So maybe now we actually do want that button group thing. Still don't know what it does. Something must be happening, right? Let's give you a script. Hi, Exodrifter. How's your evening going? Happy to see you stopping by. Create a script there. I'm trying to figure out what even are button groups. I have no idea. I feel like if I were to hazard a guess, pretty tired, did a lot of reading working today, still have some reading left to do. Like reading for work or for pleasure? Because if it's reading for work, I feel sorry. But if it's reading for pleasure, both? Oh. Yeah, I mean, if you enjoy it, then it's pretty great, actually. No, the reading for work and pleasure are both good. Oh. Wait. Oh, so you have some for both. Gotcha. Well, one is the pragmatic programmer and the other is One Giant Leap. Oh. I'm gonna have to check that out. I don't think pragmatic program. Whoa, that looks pretty neat. Yeah, wait. Light software rock. Ooh, I'll have to check that out. Okay, and then the next one, let me look up, is One Giant. Oh, I think I've heard of this one. Yeah, it's like a nonfiction about the missions to the moon, I want to say. I think my dad might have read it. He said it was pretty good. I have so many books I need to read. It's about the Apollo program, more or less. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that stuff is super interesting. I've been down quite a few Wikipedia rabbit holes looking up that stuff. For a while, I was really hyped on the idea of a space elevator on the moon. Because I guess they can actually work there. Like a space elevator from Earth, I don't think we have a material strong enough or with enough, was it tensile strength? I recommend watching Apollo 11. Not nearly as informative. It's one of the most sci-fi thing I've ever watched. Yeah, I feel like I watched that movie. Or are you not talking about the movie? Alright, button group. Base button. Toggle press. The button is toggle pressed on a button. Nope. Nope. Okay. Button up. Button up's normally what I do. And the button is toggle. Apollo 11 is a documentary about the first moon mission using footage shot at the time. Oh, nice! That's even better then. Yeah, I'll have to check it out. Where is it? Is it on, or I should say, what streaming service is it on? So I think I have, is it the Curiosity Stream? And what else? Oh, well, that's okay. I'll look for it. Borrow it from your library. I don't think I've been to the library since the pandemic started. I wonder if they're still even open. They gotta be, right? Oh, I remember what they did, or I should say what our local library did, was you would order it online, and then you'd show up and they'd have a little package for it. I realized recently that I haven't checked a single thing out from the library for like a decade. And I've since been on a movie watching binge. Nice! Yeah, I used to love going to the library. Especially back when I lived in a bigger city, because there were a lot of different libraries, and they all had sort of a unique feel about them. There was one that was like in the heart of downtown that it just had so many books, and it was like, I don't know how they did it, but it was super quiet in there, even though it was downtown. It was fun just hanging out in there. I kinda like quiet, compartmentalized spaces with lots and lots of books. I think that's my aesthetic. Alright, let's see what you do. On button press. And then for you, it's gonna be on button 2 pressed. I don't think there's gonna be a way. Well, whoa. Got a lot of relative paths on you, buddy. I don't know about that. Yeah, I don't understand how to make use of button groups, so I'm not going to yet. I'll figure it out someday, somehow. Until then, let's just have, like, normal buttons. They all go to the level that they say they go to. Let's do level 01? Because who knows, maybe I'll make more than 10 levels. Well, actually with the level editing sort of process I have now, it shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, Exodrifter, what else sorts of movies have you been watching? And also, what sorts of movies do you like? I'm kinda big into anime stuff, if you haven't noticed from my avatar and whatnot. Level 08 button. I don't even know why I'm making these buttons, because the levels for them don't even exist. But I can just have buttons that do nothing when you click on them. Oh, shoot. I just noticed that an ad might have played, like, what, 18 minutes ago? Hi, Goki Dev. I followed your guide, or not, I followed the video guide that you suggested, and I hope it's made a difference. Does the audio sound okay now? Also, hi, Maple DV. How's your evening going? Level 10 button. Level 11 button. Better make some more levels for all these buttons. You do happen to be a good audio level. Nice, thanks. Pretty good. How about me? Not too bad, not too bad. I think I'm gonna be working on making some levels today. Okay. Now I need to figure out... Wait, what? Emitted when the button is toggled or pressed. This is on button down if action mode. Okay. I feel like I just want to use button up. I'm just gonna use button up. But yeah, I've mostly just been watching folks stream today. Demonic Princess was on a little bit earlier, and I was watching her stream, and then I watched some of Eminent plays. He was doing Dead by Daylight. It was pretty fun. Yeah, just sort of hanging out. Got some housework done, you know. Typical Sunday. Alright, what do I want? What do I want to have in here? I don't know if I really need anything too crazy. Like, I don't know. Sounds relaxing. I got some additional sleep. Nice. Good to hear. Back to the grind now. Okay. I wish you well, and I wish you luck. BRB, we'll say goodbye to my BF, we'll leave the phone on, but we'll be away. Oh, that's okay. Feel free to put me on in the background or whatever, whenever. Let me think. How do I even want to structure this? I kind of just want the game manager to call, or game controller, call the level? If not, first game load. Oh yeah, there's that silly little hack I put in. Let me think. Oh yeah, I was saying, probably about 15 minutes ago, there may have been an ad that I missed that ran, and I might have been talking through it. If so, I apologize. I am trying to get better about being more cognizant of ads. Let me pop out the thing, put the ad thing over here, so it can maybe remind me. There we go. Maybe I'll get the next one. Next one's in 45 minutes, I think. So I think I want a function here that's like load level. And it'll just be, you know, whatever level that gets passed in. Load level. Wait, why am I gotta decide if I want to have camel case or underscores. Or Pascal case. Let's see. We want to do this stuff. We also want to do level ID. Type int. Yeah. Then scene change. Wait. Why am I storing this? Oh well. Maybe you need to? I bet you don't need to. Anyway, let's do level ID. This is kind of misleading because it's test level first, but at least I think I'll know what I'm doing. Alright, now in the level select, we will do game controller.load level 1. Wait, yes, that actually works because the test level will be in position 0. Yeah. I think this is gonna work until future me forgets about that and I get an off by 1 error. But we'll leave that to that person. Button up. Boop. Button up. Boop. And button up. Yeah, okay. Plop you like that. And like that, and like that. Game controller, load level 2. And 3. There's probably, no, I know there's gotta be a more elegant way of doing this. You might want to look into instancing these buttons through code. Yeah. Alright, let's do it. We want... So we have... I'll stop being lazy. We have an array of levels that we can get from the game controller. So then in the ready function, we can just do a for loop for level in game controller dot levels. Do the thing by yeah, grid container. Okay. What? Can I not get grid container? Oh, because that. So it'd be this thing. Okay. Add child, and we're going to need to add a button. So let's var. Wait, yes. Var current button equals button, not bullet physics. Button dot new add child current button. Okay, you stop complaining. Then let's disconnect. This will be much more reasonable. Yeah, yeah, I was definitely being lazy. A part of me just kind of wanted to like get the buttons on there and get them working so I could kind of see if I like the layout, but... Oh! Hi Team UN, thanks for the raid. Hi there everyone. Yeah, I was watching Team UN a little earlier. It was a pretty fun time. Oh, I have a thing I can do now. I keep forgetting. Or, I don't keep forgetting. I just made it. Boop. Yeah. There we go. I can do shoutouts now. Yay! So how'd the rest of your stream go? Goki Dev here is coercing me, no, forcing me to do things the right way in code. Totally against my will. I had no choice. Get rid of these sillinesses. Alright. Let's just see if I'm instancing the buttons correctly. Boop. Well, those are buttons. There are 4. And there are 4 levels. So now, I think for the levels, I actually want to make them into dictionaries so I can have other stuff. Gotta give future you some love here and there. Can't leave everything to them. Yeah, I do care about future me a little. Good progress on the Rust, ECS plus Godot stuff. Nice. And yeah, I also I want to check out your your itch page. I don't think I knew you had one. A little stuck on the fancy collision library. Very scary. Collisions at the low level are so far beyond me that I'm just gonna hope and pray that the ones I have available to me high level are working how I kind of want them to. All right. So yeah, I want to have additional information about these things. Yeah, I also write games using Godot sometimes too. Yep. I mean, the stuff that you're working on for like streaming and whatnot, I think it's super amazing. I keep meaning to try and set up your shoot, I'm brain farting on the name. The one where you have all the critters and you can like drag them around and stuff. I'd really like to get something like that. And maybe have like, I don't know, little slimes everywhere, and they're just kind of different colors, and I think it might be fun. It'd give some nice flair to this. But yeah, Team UN, if you want to put any links in chat, feel free to self-promote your stuff. Oh, nice. Then I might wait until you wait until you've rewritten it, or you get tired of working on it, and then I know it'll be in a normal position for a while. Yeah, this one. I want to do this one. But yeah, I got it. I feel like I actually got it working, but then what was it that I stopped on? I think it was like, anywho, I'll definitely take another look at it, and if you're okay with it, I'll put it on stream. Or I should say I'll use it on stream, but only if you're okay. Right. I was... yeah, it's free to use them. Nice. and sell, etc., etc. Oh, you're even going that far. Well, I'm definitely not gonna try and monetize it. I wish I didn't have to monetize this at all, but I mean, the ads and whatnot. Go with attribution. Yep. Alright. I don't want that. I want dictionary. And I want you to be... let's do... What should I call them? Can I do something like this? Wait, no, what am I doing? Will that work? And then can I have... Can each of these be a dictionary as well? So I could do... Scene... like that? And then... Okay. I think that'll work for what I want it to. So we'll say name. You're gonna be... test level. We'll call you... Yeah, just test. Oh, and then I could also have like a type. Probably want an enum. Level type equals... I don't know if I have enums figured out right, but I'm pretty sure it's just going to be like test or actual level. Alright, I'm not doing enums, right? Enum. Yeah, enum. How do I define enums? A quick cheat code. Let's see. I don't want to watch a video. Oh. Enum. Oh, this. Wait. Maybe that's what I want. Level type dot test. Yeah, okay. But wait. This is local to this script, I believe. So that means I won't be able to get it externally? Or will I? Can I do game controller? Back here. Game controller dot level. What did I even call you? Level type? I don't think so. So you're basically just an array of indices. So it's like a 0, 1. What if I did... I'm thinking about the use case incorrectly. Global enums. Okay, so you can statically define, or yeah, I got it. Default. I think I like doing it that way better. Level type. Okay, so they have that as yeah. I got it. I'm getting it. Let's do test equals 0. Let's do normal is 1. And we'll do hard level. Yeah. And we'll have easy. Doop, doop, doop. So then, this, that should work right. I think. So then later on down the line, I could write a function something like game controller dot get easy level, and I could loop through my available levels and only pick from the pool of easy ones. Is kind of what I'm thinking of going for. Also, do I actually need to have this 0 colon, or will it automatically just do it? Nope. I think I need. Alright, so for another data point, I think we want button text. We'll do test level. But for the other ones, it'll be different. I think. Alright. Type, level, type, we'll say easy, and name. My BF just arrived, so I'll go sleep. I'll watch the rest on the VOD later. Well, thanks. I hope you sleep well. Good luck with the rest of the stream. Thanks very much. That means a lot. Okay, I'll do that. No, you're not the name. This is the scene. You're the name. Thank you and good night, evening, everyone. Yes. Aww. Such cute emotes. You will be called beginner friendly. And for button text, I'm gonna do just level 1. Do. Then let's do. What did I do? I'm back. Let's sort you out a bit. We want type, level type. I think you're gonna be easy as well. Let's do name, wherein the player is deemed worthy. Exclamation point. Scene. get that. Button text. Level 2. Oh, and I need to close you off. Like so. Give you a comma. And and type. You're gonna be level type. I'm gonna call you normal, but if I remember correctly, level 6 was actually level 6. Level 3 was actually kind of tricky. Which is actually a good name. Kind of tricky. Scene like that. Button text. We'll call you level 3. Like that. Let's see. We've got all the data now. What happens? The button. Who's got the button? For a level in that, I probably also want an index. Gosh, imagine a 154 million project failing because you forgot a hyphen in the code someplace. Is that what happened with one of the Apollo missions? I remember you were talking about that earlier. That would be tragic. Int. Start you at 0. Or are you saying I forgot a hyphen somewhere that I'm not seeing? Mariner 1? Really? Let me look at that. Huh. Launch failure. Whoa. That's for graduate. You're in the... Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Oh. Yikes. I'm so glad everything that I make is not like that critical. Like, I'm glad nothing I make like people's lives hang in the balance for. Alright, let's do level index plus equals 1. Or is there a way to get... I could just do level dot something to get whatever current index it is, which is actually what I should be doing. Dictionary. Having trouble spelling dictionary. That's pretty ironic. Index? Or is it key? It might be called key. something key. There's a lot of key. How do I find out what the key is? No. It has keys. Returns a hashed integer value represented by contents. Oh, there we go. Returns a list of keys. Ah! Yes, that's what I want. What you trying to do? So I have in here a little bit of script that I want to generate a bunch of buttons for like sort of a level selector. And GokiDev convinced me to like actually make them like dynamically created instead of me just manually creating a bunch of buttons. But yeah, so what I want is this dot keys. Or maybe I don't want that? Wait, no, I didn't save this yet. It doesn't think that you're a type dictionary yet. There we go. Now it knows it's a type dictionary. It's got the keys. The level is... I don't need this anymore. That anymore. And just so I have it right in my head, let's make sure you actually are what I think you are. Yep, you are those keys. Now, we have the keys, so we can get current button.text, current button of type button, current button dot text is equal to game controller dot levels level dot, or not dot, is it button text? Is that how I access you? Quick way to find out. Yes. All right, this is already shaping up to be much, much better than what I was going to do. Now, let's see what stuff does a button have that I can use? Button's got text icon, a flat. Oh, that's whether or not the button is flat. Is that a style thing? Flip text, nope. Align, nope. Expand icon. How do I want to structure this? I feel like what I want is to create, no. I want to create maybe a signal on each loop. No, I don't want to do that. Is there a way that I could, like, get some sort of tag on this button so that I know when I press it, it's sending out an integer value? Button new, button text that, button connect, pressed, button pressed, add child button. Yeah, I know that. Pressed self, button pressed. But how do I send out button press? Let's see. how on earth do I make you... Could I just do signal? No, I don't want to create a new signal. Wait, I have the text of the button stored here, so maybe I could look up which one it is based on that. Alright, Godot, button attributes. This is the same stuff I was just looking at. Button pass int. Passing a variable when a button is pressed. Wait. Oh. Connect accepts blind arguments? I didn't know that. That's way better. Alright. Guess I should have just looked at connect. Hear that? That's where you're targeting. This is the method you're doing. And the binds is just an array of stuff. Alright. So I want to do connect connect pressed self. Okay. And then I want let's go back to the button again. Pressed self button press. I feel like the string I actually want is going to be oh, okay. I think my brain is finally getting it. Button pressed. We're gonna bind you with level. Now, function button pressed. Do you contain level of type int? And then do I just do well, for now let's do print debug level selected level not equals. I want to do that. Invalid operand type string and int str will cast you as a string. Yes. Let's play it. Boop, 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 boop. Attempt to connect non-existent signal pressed. Okay. Yep. R button. Oh, button.connect, not just connect. If I was to do just connect, that would try to connect it to whatever is considered self in this scope. So I want current button.connect. I think. Boop, 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 boop. Level selected. 013. Yes! Nice! Perfect! So from here, I can do game controller dot load level. Let's see if it works. No, it doesn't. Why do you not work? How convert argument 1 from dictionary to string? Scene change, get tree, levels, level ID. Oh, right. Wait, no? Wait, yes, okay. Scene. I think I want that. Maybe? Oop. Yeah! Yay! I have level select. Yeah, level select. It took some time, but now that you've done it once, you'll do it again faster next time. Yes, exactly. Thanks for the push, Goki Dev. Alright, I'm gonna take a sip. Okay. So now, future you is looking back on this moment finally. Yes, probably even more fondly than present me is. Alright, what other kinds of cool stuff could I have in this dictionary? Oh, I could have backgrounds loaded in here, or rather a string of where that background is. Yeah, that'd be kind of neat. And each level could have its own custom background. Alright, images, synth back, where I'm storing that. Let's get some other background. Or let's get one other background, test it to make sure I can actually do this how I think I want to. And then, yeah. I've got some backgrounds. I don't remember where I got them, but I like them. We're using that one. We can use this one too, maybe? Let me rename it quick. This name means nothing. Alright. Put you in images. Alright. We'll do background. You are going to be this one. Oh no, too many colons. Let's see, background. This one. Oh, it looks like an ad is about to start. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it quick, and I'll just sit here. Yeah, see you on the other side. And for those of you who have ad block, welcome to a 30, well, now 20-second rest. Hi, Goki Dev. Oh, that reminds me. I'll talk about it in 5 seconds. Welcome back from your ads, everyone. I hope they were enjoyable and for things you actually want. I also just realized that I bet before when I didn't have the audio tuned right, I bet the ads were kinda loud compared to what I sounded like. I'm sorry. I should have realized that might be the case. I hope your this ad experience was less jarring. All right, I want you for there. And I want you for there. So it'll switch back and forth just to make sure that I have it right in my head. They're probably gonna be a little wonky because I don't know if these images are, I mean, they both should be 16:9 if I use them as desktop backgrounds. All right. So if we look in, where am I even setting the background? Back? They've only been showing me eyelash makeup ads, which are 0% relevant, so I guess their profile on me isn't very good. I don't know, your avatar's pretty cute. Maybe they think, you'd be into that sort of thing. I don't know. Yep. Okay. What was I thinking? Oh, right. Where? How would I even search for? Guess I just gotta start digging. Where did I set the background? Maybe it's in levels? It is in levels. Let me think now. How do I want to change it? I really ought to have a level template. Alright, you're level 1. You've got everything you need to be a normal level. Let's make a... let me think. Let's rename you to level temp... no. Maybe? Test level 01. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Duplicate. We'll call you level template. Now you, let's go into the tile map, get rid of all this stuff. This is the basic, most basic. What am I trying to say? This is the thing from which I want to instance other levels. So everything I have in here is something I will want. I need to make sure of that. And then I can have a script on you. We'll call you just level. Yes, yes. Let's give you a script. We'll call you level template. All right. Now from in here is where I'll change the background, I think. And then what I want to do is create a new inherited scene from that. Wait. Oh, I did that to that. Whatever. Wait, so if let me test something that I've been kind of curious about. We have that little gap there. We create a new inherited scene. We then go and save this as level, I don't know, 04. And we don't save you in the UI folder, save you in levels. All right, now the level template has that. If I save you, what happens in level 4? It got updated. Okay. Let's remove another chunk, save it. It got updated. Now in you, I add that bit of nonsense and I save it. Now back in here, I'll add this line and save it. It didn't update. Perfect. That is what I was hoping would happen. So anything that I change to any of these nodes will stay. But I should be able to go in and do like a reset to template somehow. Maybe? Revert, reset, should be a little. Object properties, nope. Open documentation for this object, no. History of recently edited, wait. That's kind of neat, but no. I want to reparent it. I want to change its type. Let me think. Whoops. Tile map. How am I going to get you to be... I mean, maybe it doesn't even matter. I'd still like to know how to revert you. Whoa! I didn't know I could change the dock position. Oh, that's kinda helpful. Oh! I had no idea about that. Oh yeah, I want that over there. Back to how it was. Okay. Tile map, edited. Block tiles, resource. Resource path. No, I don't think I want to do that. How to revert to the thing from which you were instanced. Because there may come a time where I'll want to change something in the template and have it reflected in all the child scenes. No, the inherited scenes, not child scenes. Well, I'll research that later. For now, let's make the template really basic. Bare minimum to get me started. I've got a spawner, I've got the claw machine, prize box. Wait, color rec, what are you? Oh. Do I need this? Is that ever doing a thing? Remote. You are in the game test level. Canvas layer, color rect. You are not visible. I don't think I need it. So let's get rid of it. Now let's play the game. And it crashed. Oh. Okay, start game. Can't do that. So we need advanced level. I don't think I want that. I don't think I need that. It was already pretty hacky, so I'm gonna get rid of it. And I think I'm gonna get rid of this current level too. You're only used here. Alright. Let's strip you out and see where you complain. You're complaining there. I don't want the advanced level function. Don't want you. Start game. I don't think I even need start game. Because wouldn't I just call load level whatever I want the first level to be? Where are you? Start level. Where are you? Start game, not start level. Need more coffee. And promptly choke on coffee. Although, maybe that was a good test of the limiter for OBS. Did I peak it all there? Nice. Did it work? I hope it wasn't harsh. Seemed okay. All right. Nice. I can feel free to cough when I need to. Now I just need to practice actually sipping coffee correctly. Alright, start game. In here we're starting game. We actually want load level 0. Here. Load level 0. And here, load level 0. Start game. Where are you? On start game button up. Okay. Those names I feel are fine. So now, let's think about the flow of the game. Start the game, but maybe we don't even need to go to the start screen. Maybe we just start at the level select. Yeah. Wait. I just thought of something else that might be helpful. In the game controller, I can have an attribute for completed. Maybe. And I can adjust that value if the player's completed the level. And if they have, we'll I don't know, change the text or something to reflect that they have. What are you doing? Level template. Oh. Right, I was going to change the background. We're coming full circle. Also, it was broken. There we go. So, yes, let me think. How should I go about changing this back? Yeah, okay. I think I know how to do it. We will do... Wait a minute. I think I want to store a reference to whatever the current scene happens to, so that I can actually use this to edit. I remember when I used Godot. Hi, Seto boy. Welcome to the channel. And how's your evening going? I'm making a claw machine game to attempt to learn the Godot engine. And it's got RPG elements, although this might not be the best level to show. So you collect stuff like coins and clovers to get gold. You need a certain amount of gold to win the level. There are hazards you need to avoid. The book items will give you shields. The health potions restore health. Mana potions restore mana, which for now, all they're really used for is to fire lasers, which destroy objects, which usually you should probably only just destroy hazards. Yeah. And that's pretty much it so far. Is this your first time to the channel? I'm doing some game dev stuff too right now. It's on Unity though. Nice! One of the rules I like to have here is if you're working on any game dev stuff or any art in general, feel free to plop a link to it in the chat and self-promote. And if I can, I'll try to bring it up on stream. Also, there's a Discord over here you can join if you'd like. There's some other folks in there who do game dev stuff. Although I feel like they're mostly Godot centered. Gotcha. Pretty long development process though, because I'm working with a small team. Oh, nice. I mean, nice that you have a team. But yeah, again, feel free if there's anything you want to share. Just pop it in the chat. Alright. Level select. No, background. I was working on background. Kinda flighty brain. To do that, I need a reference to the current level. Export var current level, type int equals 0. Which means that anywhere that I'm calling load level, I've forgotten a lot about Godot though, so I'm not sure if I can suggest anything. No worries. But yeah, if you do want to, I'm fine with all backseat deving, or if you have any suggestions, or if you think I'm doing something wrong, feel free to let me know. Oh, and as for the channel in general, I'm just trying to make really relaxing content that you might use to wind down the evening, or put on in the background while you're working on stuff, or maybe even to help you fall asleep. I guess folks seem to think it's pretty relaxing here. That makes me kind of happy. Okay, actually I should say it makes me really happy, because that's kind of the vibe I'm going for. So the current level is what I should use for wherever we're doing load level. Yeah. Game controller on the windscreen. Oh, you know what? On the windscreen, I feel like we should probably be going back to the level select. But for now, let's try to get, no, you know what? Let's go back one step even further and actually make the level select appear in the main game. Where are you? Here. Game canvas layer. Level select. Oh, the button group I don't need anymore because I'm not using. Oh, right. I don't think I want a level select to be a canvas layer anymore. That was just for testing it. That also broke everything. Wait, maybe it didn't break everything. It definitely made this weird. All right, what are you? We don't want the game UI. Also, let me reiterate, if I forgot to mention, I'm kind of learning all this stuff from scratch. And one of the challenges that I've kind of set for myself is I'm trying to look up as little info as possible online and just rely on the editor itself to teach me. And also the helpful tutors. Alright, what is the start screen? You're just one of those. Change the level select. Color rect, full rect. Oh, there we go. I don't know why it wasn't working before. Seems to be working now, though. Now, for here, We have level select. Nice. The rendering order of these is probably important. Like, do you want to be able to show the pause menu on top of the level select? Maybe. Alright, let's go in here. Display screen. Hide. Oh, wait a minute. No, yes. That's right. I remember why I was doing it this way. Because I might not want to hide all of the screens. Hide. Level select. Level select. Not visible. False. And get tree.pause equals false. I also think I need to set processing or process mode. Oh, it's inherit. So is that set process mode process? Okay. So this game canvas layer will continue to run even if, yeah. All right. Let's put you in here. Whoops. Music got kind of creepy. The song is called Virtual Death. Let's find something a bit more peaceful and relaxing. There we go. Let me know if the music is too loud or too quiet. I feel like this one might be a little quiet. But maybe that's a good thing. Maybe you want it quiet. Just a peaceful lo-fi chill hop to lull you into sleep. Or maybe to wake you up, peacefully wake you up. Like the sunshine on a really cloudy day. So now that the level select is in here, I feel like whenever I do that start theme thing, I should probably be doing the level select screen. Load level, where are you? So instead of that, let's do game canvas layer dot display screen. How am I doing that? Is it a string? Game canvas layer dot get. Oh, that's how I'm doing it. Node. Level. How come you're not in there? Did I call you something different? You are level select. Oh, do I need to save you first? No. You should be right there. Maybe? Yeah, that should be what I need. I don't know why it wasn't auto-completed correctly, though. Also, hi whoever just started watching. How's your evening going? Let's see... Where do I want to put you? Copy you. Load level. You're being done on the start game screen. Instead, let's do that. Load level. I actually want that to be there like that. On the game over screen, let's go back to level select. Now, will it... nope. Oh, right. Level select. You extend control now. I feel like when I changed its type, it should have changed that too? Maybe? I don't know though. Alright. Starts game in level select. And it doesn't work. Nope. It's just not doing anything. Also, why did that change to be white? That's kinda silly. Definitely some silly. Level select in here. Game controller levels keys. Load level. Let's see what you're doing. Load you. Boop, boop, boop. 111. It's doing the thing. Game controller load level. Refresh player, refresh game UI. Oh! I'm not hiding all screens. Game, canvas layer, hide all screens. There we go. All right, loaded the third level. Now let's quickly... let's let the slime take this down. Okay, those slimes, super floaty. I bet slimes would probably actually be kind of floaty. Alright, restart. Not actually restarting. There should be a restart button though. Okay. in the game over screen, there's a restart button. Let's also make a level select button. Because you might want to retry the current level that you're on. Or maybe I do just want to always go back to the level select. No, I'll give the option. Alright. Over screen. Create a new button. Rename you to level select button, not button. You there. Level select. Now, what else? We want that button to signal you to do this. And for you, I think we want to reload the current level. In the game controller, have a current level, which I'm not using for anything. So I'll set it here. Level ID. Okay. Then all I need to do is in here on restart, we'll do game controller dot load level, game controller, current level. There we go. That will work much better. Music's kind of quiet. All right. Where else do I need to update? The game canvas layer is the whole thing. Don't need to worry about the level up screen or the pause menu. Start screen should have a start game and a level select button. Kind of the same as the game over screen. Let's call you level select. Why wasn't I naming them button? Level select, you will be this text, level text, level select. There we go. You are going to be on button up, connect to you. We want this to go there. This one to be game controller dot load level, game controller. I might actually want like a starting level that I can set in the editor. And you, where are you? Start screen, game controller, dot starting level. All right. Level select takes you to level select. Should probably have a back button, but I don't. There's really no reason you'd want to go back, though. Maybe. No, I don't know. Start game just brings you in here. Yeah, that's looking pretty nice. Let's see, where else do I have load level? That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Game over. Start screen. And on the pause menu, there will be stats here someday. What should I also have, like... I should have a level select in the pause menu too. Oops. There we go. You between level select. On button up, put you there. Game canvas layer. Hide all screens. Then game canvas layer dot show display screen, and we want you to be level select. No, we're doing it this way. Game canvas layer dot get node level select. All right. Pause menu. Okay, it is P. Okay. And escape. So I already did it. Now we also want to not just display the level up screen, but also reset the player's stuff and the UI stuff. I should take care of that in the level select screen. No. Maybe. Would there ever be a time where you'd want to go to the level select screen but still have your player stuff? For now, I think I'm going to refresh it. Game. Level select. So I don't want it to be on... Oh, I can just do it right here whenever the button's pressed. Or do I want to do it on load level? Or I'm already doing it on load level. So I just went in a huge circle and found something that past me had already worked on. And did pretty much the optimal way. Well, I mean, not the optimal way, but the optimal way for me, at least. Let's see now. I should be marking these as completed. If you make it to the win screen, that means you will have completed the current level. So we can go ahead and mark that as completed. Win screen. But that should be whenever we display it. Is there like a signal that is like whenever a thing became visible? Oh, I could just create my own signal, like a win level signal. Where would I put it? Not sure. Level completed. Where can I put you? So it should be... Okay, I finished my reading. Nice. Which one did you read? Or did you read both? Are you a speed reader? I read things, yes. Good to hear. But which or did you read both of them? Because you had mentioned the pragmatic programmer and the One Great Leap, I think you said? Yeah, I read both today. Didn't finish either of them, but read what I need to stay on track. Nice. It's good to set reading goals. I should set a reading goal. The last book I read was The Left Hand of Darkness by Ursula K. Le Guin? I'm probably butchering her name, but it was a really good book. Setting a reading goal has been quite nice. Yeah, I imagine it would be. I definitely need to read more. I have a lot of books on my shelves. My brain is just sort of floating right now, trying to think about what I was trying to think about that I remember being rather difficult to think about. I think that thing was the level completed stuff. Right. So in the game controller, got these, want to set those. We have our current level. when you get to the win screen, where am I displaying win screen? We're doing it here. I need to make a function in the game controller that is a win the game function. A WinRAR is you. No, that's too silly. Win the game. So when you win the game, all we really want to have happen is this. And also game controller dot levels of index game controller dot current level of completed is equal to true. I think I have that in my head, right? Let's see. Then, where I was before here, instead of calling that, I want to call game controller win the game. So now I need to actually go through and win. And coming back to this scene, I just remembered this whole thing started with me wanting to be able to change the background on levels. Yeah, yikes. So, such is the way of game design. Yep, sure feels that way. Alright, so if you're completed, that's kind of neither here nor there right now. Yeah, I actually want to test this. Let me get a thing. Where's a thing? Where's a level? What level do we start in? Do we start in test level? I feel like we might not. Maybe we do. Oh, we do. Okay. So I'll just add some clovers. Yeah, and duplicate a whole bunch of you. Play. Okay, now what is the level select? Everything seems to be working. That should be level select though. Let's go in here, pause, and let's see. Remote, game controller. How do I see your stuff? Where are you? Oh, this is still editing. Probably actually need to set a breakpoint. So it'll be whenever after I win the game in here, we'll set breakpoint crash. I'm too used to Unity that I only use play mode to check if it's working or not. I remember doing stuff in Unity like that. I wonder. I don't dare change values during play. Yeah. What was it? Like if you did that and then you stopped it, everything would be reverted, right? Like, so any changes you made to like make it feel right were just lost. Although I feel like there was a way that you could like save what you were working on. I actually used to work in Unity quite a bit. I got some stuff I can show if anybody wants to see it, but I think people in this channel probably have seen it enough. But yeah, let me know if you want to see any of my Unity stuff. Right, this break. What are you complaining about? Wait, no, you're not complaining about anything. This is all intentional. I set a breakpoint, so it should be stopping here. Better have some more coffee. Okay. The whole purpose of this was we wanted to check to see if the game controller how do I look at it? Oh, here we go. Levels completed. Good. Yeah. Okay, nice. That's perfect. Well, first let's get rid of this breakpoint. Now let's change the backgrounds. Background back. Where do I want to change you? I guess there's an ad that's coming up in a little bit. So I might use that time, take a quick, like, couple-minute break. So I'll see you all in just a little bit. Alright, I'm back. I hope your ad was okay. Alright, let's change the background. So on the level template, let's have a strip. Welcome back, thanks. Give you a script. On ready, which I'm assuming will be called upon scene change. We will set the background to whatever. Yeah, okay. So I want background dot texture, or do you do set texture? Let's check. Sprite texture, set texture. Okay. And the texture I want is going to be whatever string is in the game controller for background. So that's going to be game controller dot levels of game controller current level background. I think that'll work. Yeah. All right, let's try it out. Game, level select. Okay. One. Crash. Invalid type must not convert argument 1 from string to object. Oh. So I will need to do bar texture of type texture is equal to texture dot new. Let's call it background texture. Background texture dot set texture. Wait. Background texture. How do I change what image you are? Wait. Texture is a base for other resources. It cannot be used directly. Oh. So maybe I'm not thinking about that correctly. Background sprite. How do I change which image it's using? Set texture. Or is this? No. That error was pretty clear. I'll allow myself another cheat code. Update sprite's image. Add sprite to your node. Drop down. Edited sprite file. How to change sprites and scripts. Oh, that's how I do it. That's kind of an old solution. So I don't want texture. What I want is update sprite. Bullet 1, bullet 2, bullet. So they're preloading those. Wait, they're already saved as .texture. I think what I need to do is in here. Where are you? In resources, maybe? Yeah. Let's make a new new folder. Call you textures. And in here, we want a new resource. Texture. What? Image texture. That's what I want. We'll call you background 01. And you will have an image. Wait. Am I not thinking about this correctly yet again? Image, assets, images. Here. You don't want that. You don't want that. Nobody wants this file. New image. No. You're just an image. I want a texture. Well, sprite.new. I thought that's what... Oh, wait a minute. Do I not do set texture and instead just do texture? And have that equal to this? Oh, wait, no. Bullet texture 1. Well, I got var right there. Well, let's see what this does. It's probably gonna break. On base sprite with value of type string. It's trying to set a texture on that. But that's not what it wants. It wants texture type. Textures are often created by loading them from a file. Load. I think I need to create sprite and script. Sprite.new. Dynamically spawn sprites. Sprite new. Set texture. That's kind of like what oh, load. That might be what I'm missing. Right? Set texture. Load. Okay, that works, but it's always worked. This worked. Perfect. I can change the backgrounds now. Yeah. Super happy. All right, now what we need to do is we have the level template, so we need to actually start making levels using it. But I think I might have to call it for today pretty soon. Let's see who's on. Looks like... thanks for the heart. Heart's back. Amy Moop is on. Quick go say hi to Cammy Moop. They're playing Crypt of the Necrodancer, which looks pretty fun. I don't think I've ever seen that. So if you're alright with it, we'll go say hi. Yeah, let me... Where is it? That game is so impossibly hard. I've never played it, but it looks really fun. Alright, here we go. Let's go say hi. Oh dear. Well, I bet I wouldn't be much better. I'm not very good when it comes to rhythmy things. Almost there. I'll see you all on Cammy Moop's channel. Bye!